Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, my name is RENİSA Rahma GUSTİARİNI, NIM 2017101242, Class 1 BKE. Here I will bring you the last news near. Have a good time watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Meet again with me RENİSA Rahma GUSTİARİNI in the event seputar news. Okay, I will share the most up-to-date and reliable news, which we summarized in the news this morning. The government and related institutions such as the National Search and Relief Agency or Basarnas have deployed personnel to inspect to the location of the Sriwijaya RSG-182 aircraft. The plane with the Jakarta route was suspect and missing in the Thousand Island area Saturday. The Sriwijaya RSG-182 flying Jakarta-Pontianak route departure from Soekarno-Hatta Airport, Tangerang, Banten, is scheduled to depart at 13:25 WIB and arrive at Supadio Airport, Pontianak, West Kalimantan at 15 WIB. However, the plane will let for takeoff until 13:14 WIB. At 14:55 WIB, the plane reported lost contact. The plane was carrying 6 crew and 55 passengers, with a total of 46 adults, 7 children, and 3 babies. Seribu Islander Jan Junaidi said the plane crashed in the water around Mel Island, Thousand Island. So far, Basarnas has collected various information from the public and collected the birds in the water around where the plane disappeared. Although still under suspicion, the debris has been secured for later tracing by the National Transportation Safety Committee (NTSC). In a virtual press conference Saturday night, Transportation Minister Budi Karya Sumadi said the government had coordinated with Basarnas, destination airport, and related agency to lower aid. Okay, the news earlier and the same time closed in the news around this afternoon. I'm RENİSA Rahma GUSTİARİNI to say thank you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.